Before deciding whether Cleo AI is the right finance app for you, there are 12 essential things you should know. This mobile app promises to make managing your money easier with AI-powered insights, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see how it stacks up against other finance apps. First, Cleo AI is known for its simplicity. The app offers personalized budgeting and financial advice, pulling data directly from your bank accounts. Unlike some other apps, which can be overwhelming with complicated features, Cleo focuses on keeping things straightforward, making it easy to get started without feeling lost in a sea of features. Next thing, Cleo's AI-powered insights are one of its standout features. It uses data from your spending habits to give you tailored financial tips. This is useful, but if you're looking for highly detailed financial analysis, like what Mint or YNAB offer, Cleo might feel a bit limited. It's better suited for those who want high-level advice without the deep dive. The third thing to know is that Cleo provides both free and premium versions. The free version is packed with most of the core features like budgeting and transaction tracking, but the premium version offers additional perks, like salary insights, credit score tracking, and even the ability to access cash advances. The premium version comes with a monthly fee, which might be worth it depending on your financial goals. Next, Cleo's user interface is another key consideration. It's clean, modern, and very easy to navigate. If you've used apps like Personal Capital or Good Budget, Cleo's layout might feel refreshing in its simplicity. But while the design is attractive, some users have mentioned that it can feel too basic compared to the more robust tools available from other apps. The fifth thing is its integration with your bank accounts. Cleo supports most major banks, but not every bank in the US is included. If you're using a smaller or regional bank, you might run into some issues connecting your accounts, which could be a deal breaker for some users. The sixth thing is Cleo's AI Assistant feature, which allows you to text the app for instant money advice. It can be pretty handy if you're looking for quick answers about your finances. That said, it's not perfect. Sometimes the AI responses can be vague or repetitive, and for more complicated questions, you might not get the best guidance. The seventh thing to consider is Cleo's spending tracker. It categorizes your purchases automatically, which is nice, but some users have noted that it occasionally misclassifies purchases. While you can manually correct these, it can be a bit tedious over time. The eighth thing to know is the reward system. Cleo offers a way to earn rewards for hitting certain financial goals, but don't expect a huge payout. It's more about getting a fun incentive rather than real money or serious perks. If rewards matter to you, this feature might feel underwhelming compared to what other apps like Honey or Rakuten offer. Next, Cleo offers cash advances, which can be useful in a pinch. If you're approved, you can access small cash loans without the typical high interest rates. However, this is something you should be cautious about using too often, as it could encourage poor spending habits. The 10th thing is the customer support. Some users have reported slow response times when they need help, especially with premium features. If you run into technical issues or need urgent assistance, you might not get a quick resolution. This could be frustrating, especially when you're paying for a premium subscription. The 11th thing is the privacy and security of your data. Cleo uses bank-level encryption to protect your information, which is reassuring. However, if you're concerned about the AI using your data to push products or services, you might want to look into Cleo's privacy policy before diving in. Finally, while Cleo AI can be a great tool for simplifying your finances, it may not be as powerful as some of the top competitors like YNAB for detailed budgeting or Mint for extensive financial tracking. If you want something that gives you deeper financial insight, you might need to look elsewhere. That said, Cleo AI is a solid option for those looking for a straightforward, no-frills finance app. If you're after a more robust tool that offers additional features like better budgeting and detailed analysis, we recommend checking out our solution that you can try for free.